Good morning, team. Oof. 3:53 a.m. Wednesday the 17th, I think. We are on our way to Brisbane. So, Brisbane at Townsville today. First time teaching the Cowboys, so I'm pumped for this one. We got 8 lads doing the course. So yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be very exciting. Love getting some new teams as well. So yeah, looking forward to showing you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes.
Yeah, I told you it's different accent, isn't it?
This is our masterpiece. Thoughts? Johnny is taking control of this. Start off with long hair, believe it or not. Shoulder end, everyone. Schmeagol, could be you if you want a haircut. Toddy. Toddy, if you go to Turkey, this could be you. What do you reckon? You want this? This could be your future. You're looking into it. We could go the... This is...
Yeah, you're going to talk us through it.
Yeah, that was Coach's office. Nah. This is our main meeting room.
That was a bit sneaky.
So everyone's got their allocated seats.
Do they actually?
Yeah.
So
you split...
where you play really?
Yeah, positional base. So like halves, hookers sit here, full back, and then like right edges, left edges, and then yeah. So it's a bit of work. Can't get this on the board. This is all secrets.
I love it. Yeah, I won't get any of that.
No, you're right. And then there's a couple of them. Oh yeah.
So this is like, this is where we do video.
Yeah.
Video room.
Team room, like players lounge. Yeah, class. But come, this is what the best for you.
I thought that was it.
Nah.
So when you've had a few drinks on weekend and you're a little bit rough and we've got a long day.
Or you don't want to go home to the
Or
kids.
you don't want to go to the kids, even on.
Get a little sleep room.
Go for sleep. Altitude controlled as well, so it's up to you what you do.
That's class.
So you can actually hide from the missus and kids for up to 8 hours.
You know you'll like that then. I'll double check.
And then
This is our entrance, our players' entrance. So we
Yeah.
And then this is our green room, we call it. So it's like air conditioned, because obviously in summer it's hot as fuck up here. So you have to hide in here sometimes, get in the aircon and do our sessions, or some part of our sessions. So we do like tackle tech, preparation,
we do like skills.
play some pool basketball.
I've never seen that in another club.
Yeah, you probably
Nah, most clubs don't need it because it's not as hot, but because this place is so hot, you actually need to escape the heat sometimes.
When we had field sessions, we'd have to come in here, like you'd have to have like a time out, come in here, refresh, go back out.
Yeah. Kitchen. Locker room in here. We'll go follow Johnny for a
I was going
piss.
to say, John.
Yeah, this is a locker room. Everyone's little special lockers, plus their flags and heritage and culture.
So guys,
You got the trainer, yeah?
yep, what I'm doing here is I'm just going to take a little bit off the back. Yep, just like that.
Yep.
It's a 4, so we're just going a 4. He's asked for a 4 as a fella. Right, how we're going to go? Take a bit more off.
Who told you to hold the clippers like that?
You. Anything that's been taught has been taught by him. Shit, yeah, my bad. So, sorry, hold them like this. Health and safety reasons.
Yep.
You want to take it up to the sky? Come up. Up to the sky. We're going for a little bit of an undercut here as well, guys. So, as you notice. You see the drop back here, look at this. Yeah, I'm not too sure I'd ask for that haircut, but the majority of this is Carl.
Who do you want to blame, mate?
Carl, I'm just talking through your haircut, what you've tried to go for here. It's a bit all over.
My haircut?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, why didn't it blame
Yeah,
me?
mate.
Yeah, I'll take over.
Come on, mate.
Ben.
Bill was asking me how Daddy going.
He's going over to be a bit more private.
Mate, talk us through what you're doing.
Right, you had a good day today, yeah?
Are you talking to me or the camera?
Him.
Oh, him. Right, sorry. Just talk us through what you're going from there.
We're just going for a little slick fade back.
That's a bit fast.
Feedback. Love it. Is that one of the new ones?
Yeah, it's a new style I've just come up with.
Good work, mate. Sorry, I'll get out where you were.
Look at the tackers.
Yeah, you're looking sharp there, mate. I'll give you that.
Tins it on to the
Very
camera.
sharp, yeah.
Confidence.
It's good when they can't talk back, isn't it?
No, it helps.
Great.
Helps I'm not pulling his hair out either. Yo.
Yo.
Talk us through it, man.
Low drop fade here. I go back and forwards until it all works.
Look at that, Mazzy.
Start at the bottom and work my way up.
Who's the lad from the Bulldogs? Who's in the New South Wales team now? King.
Oh, Max King, yeah.
That's what his hair's like.
Should I just leave it?
Huh? Like that shit?
Ja, sim.
Ska det vara? The friends. Yeah, I just kept trying.
Thanks, Chatty, the batting.
Can you just talk us through what you're doing here then, mate?
Yeah, so basically what I've got here, right? So we're trying to keep it nice and low. So he's got good hair. I like his hair, right?
He's got a lot of hair, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has got
That's a good
hair.
thing.
Have you even press record on this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay. Just keep going. Just keep rolling. Keep rolling.
So we're keeping it nice and low, right? With
Yep.
the skin fade.
Come round here so I can get
Yeah,
rolling.
no, sorry, the lighting's pretty bad, isn't it? So we're coming down here pretty low, so I'm gonna blur out the lines a little bit more here, but we don't want to take it high. We want to keep it nice and low as well.
Oh,
So-
sorry, someone's ringing me.
Sorry, that's inappropriate for the
seconds.
video as well.
Can you do out with this bit?
That's where he's wearing his hat. Johnny, you should have
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, shit.
We're just
Can
out
you not
here.
hear me on this? Can you hear me on it?
The Academy Barbers follow us. Follow them.
Hi guys. So what's going on here? Can you talk us through what you're doing here, Pillar, please? So this is JP. Say hi, guys.
Hey brothers.
So what are you doing here, mate?
I'm the mannequin.
He's a mannequin.
It's a little tape on the side here.
Nice.
Leave the back.
What's this tattoo mean, JP? Talk us through it.
Oh, we're just gonna start. Oh, what's what?
This tattoo mean? Anything? Have you got? Don't look at me. What are you talking about? Yeah, sorry, mate. We'll get back to the haircut. No, you're looking well, mate. Looking well.
Who got me? Shake your hands.
Are you happy with the haircut, mate? Yeah? Shake on that, mate. Chin up. Have a good day.
Alright guys, that is a wrap. You can see I'm outside here, Queensland Country Bank Stadium, as well as the Cowboys facilities over here. This place is elite as well. Seriously, the NRL facilities are bonkers. They're so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I am still very cringy at this, but I am trying my best. Try and show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. But yeah, amazing. So the boys did really well today, as you can see from their trims before it. So yeah, really happy with it. And I'm looking forward to showing you guys more of their trims as they continue on their barbering course. Enjoy, team. Ciao for now.